Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Extra Moving Average, but extra's never average, so extra can't move average, so extra's just extra. We are here on the first video on the channel. Honestly, we are going over Top Step, which is actually what we're going to be doing on this video. We're trying to look and see about getting our first prop firm account and actually get that going. So hopefully we actually pass the challenge. I know a little bit about prop firm accounts, but honestly not much, so this will be a new journey for us. Let's see. I thought about doing the 50K account. Briefly went over this page. I like the different kind of account sizes they have, but I want to go with the cheaper version because I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. For those that's just people into the channel, I'm actually an options trader. So I noticed that prop firm accounts don't have the option to use options or to trade options. So yeah, they usually have Forex and futures. Not something I'm used to trading at all. I don't even understand the conversion rate for these. So it's kind of new to me. So this is definitely completely a new field for me. I'm ready for it. I feel like this is going to take my trading to the next step. Like I have my own brokerage account with Charles Schwab, but I feel like this is more so restricting me from doing anything bad. This is like me going to a class or like going to a job and like kind of forces me to follow the rules, uphold to what's supposed to be done, like my plan, my strategy, things like that. On the individual brokerage account, I'm over that completely. There's no requirements to do this and that. Like, yeah, I'm supposed to, but there's nothing to keep me from doing that. But on prop firm accounts, there's a goal, there's a daily limit you have to you can't go under, and there's a limit to reach. So it's gonna force me to make the right decision and make me make the better trades. So I'm kind of excited for that, and just really ready to get into it. So let me look over this page. So become a futures trader. Options to futures. I'm still gonna trade options. Options is my 100% my first pick for everything. I honestly I want to say I don't care how this goes out because options will always be my favorite to do. I don't know. I feel like it's just so simple. The conversion, how to calculate everything. It's nice. But I heard futures there is a lot more spread and volatility for it. So hey, we'll get to that. One rule, one goal, become a top step trader. Change this to, hold on. Well, here we go. As you guys can see, the number one rule, the number one goal is to become an extra trader. We do extra, we get extra, we be extra, and we stay extra. Like always, that is the motto, and that's going to be the motto for the channel, of course. So I don't know what Top Step is. Top Step, yeah, this doesn't exist. Nah. Well, honestly, let's get into it. What's this? Earn funding, free coaching, resources, Top Step X, our program, how it works. Stack 100, crude oil, gold, interest rates, micro gold, micro oil. All right, so it seems like we know exactly what we're going to be doing. There's no need to look at everything else. So I think there's only thing left to do. Go ahead and get this 50K account or see about getting into it and go from there. So extra, let's read all about it. Pledge listeners, Top Step Trading Combine. We're committed to the development of our traders and helping them build healthier habits through learning by doing. We trade with us. We ask that you agree to our pledge. Cool. Definitely read all that.
in order to be funded. However, failing to meet one of these objectives liquidates that position. This won't count as a rule violation, but we wouldn't recommend doing it because the auto liquidator certainly won't get you the best.
To 102,000, your max loss account balance for the next session will increase to $99,000. If you make $2,000 again on the second day, good for you. Your max loss on day 3 will be set at $100,000. This is because your max loss cannot go beyond your starting balance. Remember, your max loss account balance can only increase or remain constant. In our example,
I like that. Yes, sir. Very, very smart. Very smart. That's I like that. I like that a lot.
and you'll be well on your way to becoming a top step funded trader.
Awesome. Well, guys, you know what it's time to do. Bro, what? Bro, this shit looks so complicated. This looks like all over the place. But what is this? Let me see what I can do now. Looks like volume is just a bit shorter on whatever session this is. I'm not sure the order. I know there's New York session, London session, and Australia Asian session. I'm not sure. What does the 3 minute look like? Yeah, we want is to close above this line down here. Even on the 5 minute, honestly. So I know I'm close below this area right here, and that's my get in area. Or I can get in off of this. Just go ahead and minimize my risk. I guess. Here. All right. Now in for NQ sales. Hopefully going for a 1-1, maybe even a 1-2. Looking for the break past my zone right here and then continue down. Hopefully we'll get down to my next zone, which is a good ways away. Maybe even come down to here. But let's wait this out. If it breaks this area, then I can wait for it. I'm honestly gonna put my risk reward up a bit. All right, good push, good push. Up 105. Gonna continue down though. Come on. This is what I like to see. Come on, we can make it work. We can make it work. All right, I already figured we might struggle a little bit at this area just because of this wick over here. Just continue down and we'll be all right. We'll be completely fine. And once it closes above this area, what I want to do, put a line. If it closes back above this area, then it might be my time to get out just in case. All right, there we go. We're continuing. I like to see this. I like to see this. All right. Yep. Almost there. Oh, catch recover. That was a long wick, but we got to feel that. There we go.
Oh no, I want to see that though. Nice. Alright, there we go. Continue in my direction. We're almost there. Let's see if I'm missing a little bit. No, this should be fine. I'm gonna retest this area of resistance at the current moment. I don't really have to worry about much. Great. I like to see that though.
Okay. I'm gonna slowly make this work. We're slowly coming down. It's just we're having a real hard time continuing down in this downtrend. I don't know what. This support level? Support level is hella strong. Okay. It might end up heading back up. If so, then I'll go ahead and get out once it closes back above my blue line here. But momentum's on my side, so I don't want to do that just yet. I want to wait a little bit. How do I move my stop loss? Having a bit of a hard time pushing back down. Hopefully this area resistance is actually pretty good. I don't want to get stopped out just yet.
Come on, man, we can do this. You got this.
You're having a hard time over here, bro. Oh, we might get stopped out. Yep. Alrighty. No worries. We're up 70 though. That's great. We just tried to get up here. I think we're gonna go for a long. We close above this area here. I'll get in for a long and I'll expect to exit out over here. Could have just been a pullback. Seems like that's exactly what's gonna happen. Getting in for a buy order here. So my exit is closed below this line. I'm expecting to hit this area here. Oof.
All I know is drama, I don't got no common sense. All I know is drama, I don't got no common sense.
I don't know why I didn't check this area right here. This could be bad.
Come, such a bitch. gotta comprehend. All I want is
Almost
commas,
expecting
you
it to
don't
go
gotta comprehend.
just a bit. I don't know how much further it's going to
I've been fighting, bleeding, tired of
affect.
being tired, but I still don't got no sleep.
Ooh, what's that?
Still don't got no sleep. I've been typing, tweeting, writing meanings. I've been screaming.
And if it does go below this line, it's just a re-entry for shorts instead, because I can see it's starting to make lower highs.
I know niggas plotting. I know niggas watching. Hey, go figure. What they wanna do before war start, then the fault is on you.
My second trade isn't looking too good, honestly. I'm not liking this at all. I think we start right at the line, but we're a little bit, they're just a little bit above it, below it though. Not great, honestly. Alright. They were just looking for a 1-to-1. No, I figured that this rejection right here would be enough for us to keep us going up. But it seems like it's not, because it's also, I don't know. Oh, we might. But I only got in for this entry here because of this rejection here, and also this candle, this bearish red candle, was honestly rejected higher than this last one. So I figured we continue up. So hopefully I'm not wrong in my decision right now. Okay, great. This is awesome. This is what I like to see. Okay, great. I gotta let the trade play out. I want to move my stops, so I'm gonna give it a little bit.
I ain't shit, man. Try to take my life away for something I can get, man. They don't want no conscience in me, they just want to hit, man. But I know karma, such a bitch. All I know is drama, I don't got no common sense. All I know is drama, I don't got no common sense.
But we have to wait till we get there first. Then we can see what happens.
Karma, such a bitch. All I want is commas, you don't gotta comprehend. All I want is commas, you don't gotta
Alright, as you can see, it's always better to let the trade play out a little bit. See, we are going up. We are almost at our take profit point. It did reach my blue line though, so I do want to put Jesus. I don't even know where I was. Take profit at $35, just in case. I won't lose money on this trade. Since it did make a new higher low, and it reached my line, so that's what I like to see. No matter what, I won't lose anything on this trade. So if we keep pushing above this line, I honestly might move my take profit up a bit more as well, because I believe we will continue up. Let's go ahead and move that up. Alright. Alright, 1-4 risk to reward. Believe in it. Gonna keep it going. Have a lot of momentum on our side, I feel like. Coming off a pretty strong support area. Great to see. Keep the push.
It should be the same.
Now since we touched the line, I want to move. Let's see if we can move this stop a little bit. We got 140. I know we might reject it here. So it's okay. We might actually come back to this line here and continue up, or we might go continue back down, but that's less likely the case. I just want to get to see the price. I just want to see price continue in my direction right now. And since it broke my zone, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the stops also to break even. We now have a risk-free trade. All honesty, it's gonna stop. It's gonna struggle here, might struggle here, or here. one of these two areas, and once we get past either of these two areas, we might see it continue all the way to the upside, which I would love to see, but I doubt we can get all the way up there without having some type of struggle. So I will be fine taking my profit up to here whenever we get there. I'll go ahead and put it at 200. We did reach our first take profit point. If it has to come down and test or, you know, build momentum, then I'd rather not be a part of that and just take my profit. So I'll stop at 200 if need be. So go ahead and do what you got to do right now. Yep, as I figured. No, it's not fine. Yeah, I was gonna move it a little bit just because I believe in the trade that much, but I'm fine with just taking 200. I feel like it will come down and go ahead and stop me out, which is no problem. I'm pretty confident that it's gonna continue up. But hey, for today, you know, 2 trades, both right. You know, 200. Well, I guess it won't be 270, but $250 would be great. No, I have no problem with that whatsoever. Yep, and went ahead and stopped me out. Okay, no problem. $200 for the day. I still love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's great. Like I said, I still think price is still gonna head in the upwards direction. I just think it's coming down just for a little bit to build some momentum. But that's all fine to go ahead and miss that. Now let's go over and see if we can find one last trade before we get out of here, bro. Honestly, I'm loving NQ a lot, man. I think I'm gonna get into my last entry right here on longs. So let's see, do I have much profit target? Pretty hard. Let's go for pretty hard long right now. Yep. I've been stingy, I keep it 100, man. Run a trap, but they tripping, won't get a hand. I've been sit with this shit, I'm a different strand. Play the game like I finished up in the bed. Exactly what I figured right now. Yeah, I knew I should have traded my last trade, but it's alright. No worries, no worries. Pretty good push, good push. Oh. They are trying to fight back. Let's do that. Right, since we did make a new higher low, I want to move my stops up a bit more. Bring it up to there. Actually, right when this gets too strong. No, man, just go ahead and take this 25. Just because I know this wick is pretty big. We did get wick down pretty hard here, but I do want to see us go up some more. It's a pretty hard risk right now, so I don't mind getting stopped out pretty early. You know, last trade for the day, I want to make sure we're as safe as possible. So while we're in profit, just go ahead and put some stop limit up there. And here it comes down. Yep. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Alright, let's see how that plays out, I guess. If it ever goes back up or not. Alright. Seems like we would have been stopped out. just barely wicked below the area here. So seems like we were right to get in to go ahead and put our stop, a little bit in profit while we had the chance to. I wish we got out, right at the top. That was a little bit before I believed that it was, gonna go back down just a little bit. But hey, it's all right. We did what we did, and we made our third trade work out. All three trades we took today were great. So no worries, no worries. I'm pretty happy with what happened today. So that's awesome. But anyway, leaving with 25, it's cool. All the trades worked out fine. We are killing it. But yeah, whatever. Man, I had such a good time. This is actually pretty nice. I don't know why. I never really thought of prop firms beforehand, but this is definitely something I'm gonna start thinking again. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. This is a great time getting in and doing all of this stuff. But girl, honestly, can't wait for the next session. I'm gonna fucking smash it. But yep. Guys are new, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Extras Moving Average, but extras never average, so extra can't move average, so extra is just extra. So this is where we do extra, be extra, get extra, stay extra, and be extra, to get extra and do extra, to stay extra. So it's been extra, stay extra, and I'm out.